In this video, I'm going to show you how to add free shipping in your Shopify store. So let's begin. First things first, when you're in your Shopify homepage, first thing you want to do is navigate to the bottom left corner and find settings. Click on this, and on the next page, you will have the options to choose which of these you want to select. So we are looking specifically for shipping and delivery. Click this. Here in the shipping, next to the general shipping rates, you want to click manage. Now, my store doesn't have any products, but your product's going to have some products. So choose which products you want to apply this shipping rate to. Next thing you also want to do is you want to have the different shipping zones created. So this is going to determine which countries you're going to ship to. You can see right here, I have domestic shipping to Finland, and I have the rest of the world. So for this example, I'm going to use rest of the world to show you how to set up your free shipping. Now, simply what do you want to do? You can see that I have the standard one and it cost me 20 euros. So what I want to do is I want to click add rate. I'm going to name this free shipping. And then for the price, I'm just going to leave it blank at 0 euros. Please note that if you click this button right here, add conditions, you can actually add the conditions to meet for the free shipping. So let's say, for example, that based on order price. So let's say, for example, you would like to offer free shipping for all orders that have a minimum price of 10 euros. So you can do that by adding this condition. Alternatively, if you don't want to add this condition, you just simply click remove conditions and you're going to have free shipping on all orders. So once you're done with this step, you just want to click done and then make sure that you delete this one as well. So you just want to delete it. And here we go. This is how you add free shipping in your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.